Hey, are you okay?
Ow, my head.
You should really be using a helmet.
A helmet? How do you use this?
Not quite. Let me show you how it's done. First, we are going to loosen the back strap. Not all helmets have this, so don't worry if yours doesn't. Great, now let's put the helmet on so we can begin fitting it to your head size. Then tighten the back strap. If you're turning the dial the right way, it should sound like this. The strap should be tightened enough so that if you shake your head, the helmet is not rocking back and forth. Alright, so now we're going to check the side straps one at a time. This side looks good, let's check the other side. When fixing or tightening the straps, we want to make sure that it is snug around your ear. Not too tight and not too loose. The buckle should line up with your ear. Now buckle your chin strap and adjust the fit. The strap should be tight enough that only 2 fingers can fit between the strap and your chin. You can see here that it's too loose, so we're going to tighten it a little bit more. Great job! Let's now do one last check. This check is called the 2-finger test. Here's why. The helmet should sit 2-finger width from your eyebrows. The side straps should make the letter Y and fit snug around your ears. And lastly, only 2 fingers should fit in your chin strap. One more thing, if your chin strap is hanging out, your helmet might have a band that can slide up to keep that strap together.